Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the side saddle cluster stitch. So this is what it looks like. It's a really easy stitch and it's very pretty. I'm actually going to make a scarf out of this one. It has just a 2-row repeat, so it's pretty easy to remember. It's perfect for those mindless crocheting while catching up on your favorite shows. Okay, so I am using Yarn Bee's Aspen Primos Peak. I purchased this years ago when they were on clearance. For this, I'm going to be using a USK 6.5 millimeters. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this pattern is in multiples of 5 plus 2. So what I do is chain 5 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I just keep counting in 5s. Okay, so I have 30 stitches. Now I'm going to chain 2 more. 1 and 2. Okay, so you're going to work 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So here's the first chain and there's the second. I'm going to turn and work through the back hump. You don't have to. It's just the way I like to work into my chain stitch. It gives it a nicer edge. So 1 single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and over the next 4 chain stitches we're going to work a double crochet 4 together. And to work a double crochet 4 together, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. So you don't want to complete your double crochet. You're going to do that again into the next chain stitch, yarn over, into the next chain stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, next stitch, yarn over, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have 3 there. We're going to work 1 more, yarn over, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. With 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5, chain 1, and then 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And then you're going to repeat. Okay, so 1 single crochet. Again, we're repeating from chain 3 to 3, and then over the next 4 stitches, double crochet 4 together. So you're basically working a partial double crochet in each stitch until you've done that with 4 stitches. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, always 5 loops, yarn over, pull through all 5 and chain 1. 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So go ahead and repeat that all the way to the end. Chain 3, that's the start of the repeat. Double crochet 4 together over the next 4 stitches. Okay, I'm about to work my last double crochet 4 together, chain 1, and then last stitch, 1 single crochet. Row 2, we're going to chain 5 and turn, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right on top of this cluster, we're going to work 1 single crochet. So it's going to be the stitch that's right above this cluster. Okay, then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to work a double crochet 4 together into this chain 3 space. So right into the space, there's 1, 2. We're working all of this into this space. 3 and 4. Okay. There's your double crochet 4 together. Chain 1. And then we repeat 1 single crochet on top of the next cluster. Okay. So here's the next cluster. Now we're going to chain 3 and work our double crochet 4 together here. Okay, 5 loops, yarn over, pull through all 5, chain 1, and then into the next cluster, 1 single crochet. Okay, repeat that to the end. Chain 3, double crochet 4 together, okay, I'm at the end on my last double crochet 4 together. Okay, when you get to the end, after working your last double crochet 4 together into this chain 3 space, you want to work 1 double crochet into this last stitch here. Okay. Row 3, chain 1 and turn. You're going to skip that double crochet and work 1 single crochet into the next cluster. So here's the cluster, and I worked 1 single crochet right on top of the cluster. Now pretty much we're going to repeat. So chain 3, double crochet 4 together in this chain 3 space. So once you get the hang of this, it's really easy. It's pretty much the same repeat. There's a 2-row repeat. And that's only because of how you start and end the first stitch of the round or of the row. Okay, so chain 3, double crochet 4 together into that chain 3 space, chain 1, and then again 1 single crochet into the top of the next cluster, chain 3. So just repeat this all the way to the end. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 single crochet. When you get to the end, this was the chain 5 from the last round. You're going to work 1 single crochet into this space. Okay, so I've worked my last double crochet 4 together and worked the chain 1. Normally you would work 1 single crochet into the next cluster. So we're going to work our last single crochet in the space where we worked our chain 5 from the last row. And that's it. You're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you're happy with the size. Okay, so I've worked several rows and it's starting to look really nice here. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe hit that notification button, and I will see you in my next video.